Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 7th, 2025, and we're diving into the third quarter earnings report of Array Digital Infrastructure. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Array's latest financial performance, especially given the significant changes the company has undergone recently.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Array Digital Infrastructure reported total operating revenues of $47.1 million for the third quarter of 2025, which is an impressive 83% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Absolutely. The significant revenue growth is primarily driven by the commencement of the T-Mobile Master Lease Agreement, which led to a 68% increase in site rental revenues. This agreement has been a game-changer for Array, allowing them to capitalize on their tower assets more effectively.
And what about profitability? The net income for the quarter was $108.8 million, translating to a diluted EPS of $1.25. How does this compare to last year?
This is a remarkable turnaround from a net loss of $95.9 million in the same period last year. The strategic sale of wireless operations and spectrum assets has significantly improved their financial standing, allowing them to focus on their core tower business.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 25 cents for this quarter. However, Array reported an actual EPS of $1.25. That's a significant beat. What does this tell us about the company's performance and market expectations?
This substantial beat indicates that Array's strategic initiatives, particularly the sale of non-core assets and the focus on tower operations, have been more successful than anticipated. It also reflects the market's underestimation of the impact of these changes on Array's profitability.
Strategic initiatives and leadership transition. Array has been active in strategic initiatives, including spectrum sales expected to bring in $178 million. They've also announced a leadership transition with Anthony Carlson taking over as CEO. How do these moves position Array for the future?
The spectrum sales are a strategic move to monetize non-core assets, providing significant capital to reinvest in their tower business. The leadership transition to Anthony Carlson, who has a strong background in telecom, is expected to bring fresh strategic vision and drive further growth in their core operations.
And the special dividend of $23 per share paid in August. What does this indicate about the company's financial health?
Paying such a substantial dividend reflects strong cash flow and a commitment to returning value to shareholders. It underscores the financial stability and confidence in their ongoing business model.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Operationally, Array has reduced its expenses by 46% year over year. How has this been achieved, and what does it mean for their future outlook?
The reduction in operating expenses is largely due to the divestiture of non-core operations and a focus on cost efficiencies within their tower business. This positions Array well for future growth, as they can now allocate resources more effectively towards expanding their tower infrastructure.
Looking ahead, what should investors expect from Array?
Investors can expect Array to continue strengthening its position in the tower industry, leveraging its existing assets and strategic partnerships. The focus will likely remain on enhancing operational efficiencies and exploring further growth opportunities in the digital infrastructure space.
Key takeaways. In summary, Array Digital Infrastructure has delivered a strong performance this quarter, with significant revenue growth and a substantial EPS beat. Their strategic initiatives and leadership transition set a promising path forward. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure discussing Array's impressive turnaround and future prospects.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Array's performance in the comments below. Until next time.